Hey there, and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Took a Pill in Ibiza by Mike Posner. Now before we can play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are E minor, D major, C major, and G major. If you know how to play those 4 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the other portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is E minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the first string of the 2nd fret, take your second finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 4th fret. This is E minor. The next chord is D major. To play that, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 4th finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. This is D major. The next chord is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. And the last chord for this song is G major. To play that, just take your 1st finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be E minor for 4 beats, D major for 4 beats, C major for 4 beats, and G major for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by bringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to learn the string pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. Let's play that string pattern now on the E minor chord. Down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. And now let's add the chord progression with that string pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the string pattern, let's put it all together with lyrics and play through Took a Pill in Ibiza. I took a pill in Ibiza to show Avicii I was cruel. And when I finally got sober, felt 10 years older, but it was something to do. I'm living out in LA. I drive a sports car just to prove I'm a really big baller, cause I made $1 million and I spent it on girls and shoes. But you don't wanna laugh like me, never really knowing why like me. You don't ever wanna step off that roller coaster, be all alone. You don't wanna ride the bus like this, never knowing who to trust like this. You don't wanna be stuck up on that stage singing, stuck up on that stage singing. Oh, I know sad songs, darling, oh, I know sad songs, sad songs. Now if you want to play through the rest of that song, then check out my ukulele cover for Took a Pill in Ibiza. And that's you play Took a Pill in Ibiza by Mike Posner. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Special thanks my friends at Flight Music for allowing me to showcase their ukulele in this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out more of their products. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.